All right, look who stopped in for some bike repairs. Sid. There you go, man.
Hello.
So it looks like he's broken his clutch cable. Hey, not quite. Some temporary repairs.
Everything's a temporary.
But tyres brand new. Look at that. Awesome. Right, next thing I'm going to do is fix these mirrors too. He's got some wear and tear happening there, something shaking around. So have a look at those as well. Right, take off the second mirror. It looks like it's like foam packed already. Okay, we just keep shoving some more shit in there. Let's see, we've got the shed. Thanks, Bunnings. This is for 1/3. That should be. Liposuction, but we're doing it in reverse. About 66%. Not too much. That's right. TikTok guidelines. Hope you're on holiday. Look at that. Sign that. Give it away. That one's mine. That one's Sid's. Alright, stage 1 is complete. Alright, beauty.
Beauty. People keep telling me I need a catchphrase.
Cheers.
He's a professional.
Boy.
Ciao.
Easy, man.
Cheers, mate.
Beauty.
So I'd like to tell you a little story about my time on TikTok.